Need to send private files without leaving them completely unprotected. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a password-protected zip file using 7-zip. We'll select the files, create the zip, add a strong password, enable AES 256 encryption, and then test the finished archive. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and locate the files or folder you want to protect. You can select a single file, multiple files, or an entire folder. For multiple items, hold Control while selecting them. Now right-click your selection and open the 7-zip menu. Choose Add to Archive. This is where we'll configure the zip format and password protection. In the Add to Archive window, find Archive Format and select Zip. Zip is a good choice when you want the protected archive to be easy to open on different computers and devices. At the top, give your archive a clear name, such as Private Documents. You can also choose where the zip file will be saved. I recommend using a location that's easy to find, like your desktop or Documents folder. Now scroll down to the encryption section. Enter your password in the first field, then enter it again to confirm. Use a strong password that isn't easy to guess. And make sure you remember it. Next, check the encryption method. For a password-protected zip, choose AES 256 if it's available. This provides stronger encryption than the older zip encryption method. Keep in mind that some older zip programs may not support ES-encrypted archives. Everything is ready. Click OK, and 7-zip will create your protected zip archive. The process should only take a moment, depending on how many files you selected. Now let's test it. Open the new zip file with 7-zip and try to access one of the protected files. You should be asked for the password. Enter it, and the files should become accessible. If you don't enter the correct password, the encrypted files can't be opened normally. One important tip: don't send the password in the same message as the zip file. Share it through a separate, trusted method. That gives you an extra layer of security. And that's how to create a password-protected zip with 7-zip. Choose Zip, add your password, use AES 256 when appropriate, and always keep your password safe. Simple, secure, and ready to share.